If you are thinking about selling your home or you're just looking for information, be sure to send me a message and I will follow up with a free home seller consultation. During that, you will discover exactly what you could be selling your home in today's market. Selling is scary, but there is a lot to consider and to think about. I know because I have sold many properties. My name is Liliana with Excellence Real Estate and Homes by Liliana. But when you arm yourself with knowledge and you have someone guiding you through your best options, it's not something to be so nervous about. We just have to get you educated. This is the perfect time to start your information gathering. Send me a message below to book your free call. Oh, I just added a bonus. I'm gonna send you a free list of listings to help you find your dream home based on your future home needs and wants. Looking forward to hearing from you.